Hello viewers and welcome back to the channel The Saurav Designers Academia with me Isha Anand. Now you must have been wondering who am I and what am I doing here. So basically I'm a prior student of Saurav sir who's heading this channel, and I'm going to be talking about some important information about my college which is FDDI. First of all, thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I think you are at the best place to prepare GAT for your NIFT entrance exam. And trust me guys, I'm not saying this just because he's my teacher, but you will see it yourself. I mean, the way he'll teach you, the way he'll guide you, the way he'll give you tricks, it makes maths and other subjects too very easy and less time consuming, and I think that is very important for your exam purpose. And guys, of course, practice is very important, because no matter how many good tricks you have in your hand, you need to practice more in order to make your sums even more faster. Now let's just go to the main topic. So guys, I'm a first year student of fashion design at FDDI Hyderabad, that is Footwear Design and Development Institute, for B- program, that is Bachelor's in Design, and it's a government college, and it was established in 1986 by Noel Tata, and it has total 12 campuses including Noida, Hyderabad, Chennai, Fursatganj, Guna, Chandigarh, Ankleshwar, Patna, Kolkata, Rohtak, Chhindwara and Jodhpur. Has both bachelor and master's program, and in bachelor program we have total 4 departments, that is FD fashion design, LGAD leather goods and accessory design, footwear design and retail and fashion merchandise, and in M dash we have fashion technology and footwear design. Let's just talk about the examination process guys. So we'll first talk about the syllabus, which includes 150 questions which you have to solve in 1.5 hours, which includes quantitative aptitude, which have in total 25 questions, verbal ability, which will have 40 questions, general awareness, which will have 50 questions, and business aptitude test, which will have 35 questions. Talking about the application form guys, it generally releases in mid-January and it lasts till mid-April, so you can fill the form whenever you want between these two dates, and it is available online on the website www.fddiindia.com, so you can go and check it out. It's not there right now, but in mid-January, around that time you can check. And talking about the criteria, you need to complete 10 plus 2, and if you are in 12th grade you can also apply for the examinations, and your age should not exceed more than 25 years. And now let's just talk about the documents guys, the documents which are required, which you need to have, which are really important. It includes first valid email ID, second caste certificate if you have any, if you lie in any of those criteria, whether it's OBC, SC, ST, any of them. Then educational qualification certificate, that is 12th certificates and 10 certificates, and then disability criteria if you have any, and then EWS, that is economically weaker section people, if you are eligible for that, and you really need to check the eligibility for that criteria. And then you need to have transfer certificate, that is migration certificate, character certificate, medical certificate, and passport size photo. Now talking about the medical certificate guys, there is no any proper format for this. You can go to any stationery and they'll give you a format, and then taking that format you can go to any medical hospital and ask a doctor to just check you out, and then they'll sign on your format, they'll sign on your certificate, and there'll be a stamp. The stamp is very mandatory guys, it should be on your photograph only with the proper date, so remember this. And yes, exam date generally lies between mid-May to the last week of May, so it can happen anytime. It's a one-day exam, so yeah. And the results are mostly out in first week of August, and the counseling generally lies in mid-August, and you need to report to your college in September, and all the documents with you are required, like the original certificate. When you are reporting to your college, you need to have all the certificates which are original, not photocopy or self-attested copy. No, all the documents should be original. Mind it guys, do not forget this, and don't misplace any of your document, because that might create a scene, because when you are reporting in your college you need to have all the documents with you. And after joining the college, guys, you will be having 1 year foundation program where all the students will be studying in the same class, because of course the foundation is same for all of you, no matter what department you have chosen for your career, whether it's FD, LGAD or footwear, all will study in the same class. And then after 1 year you guys will be divided according to your departments, according to what you have chosen. And so guys, thank you so much once again for watching this video, and I hope this video is really helpful for you. And if you think so, please share it with your friends too. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and put in the comment section below and tell me what was the thing you liked the most and what are the things you really want to know more about FDTI. I would love to share the information with you all, guys. Thank you guys, and subscribe to the channel.